We are eating a poison. Here's how to identify GMO tomatoes in 2 easy steps. Well, many experts around the world say that we should eat plenty of raw fruits and vegetables. Yes, they're right, but the bad thing is that the market is overloaded with GMO, genetically modified organism, fruits and vegetables. Many different studies have discovered that these types of fruits and vegetables, GMO, can cause really bad side effects for our health in general. And the real and ugly truth is that there are many people who can't tell the difference. They can't identify the GMO tomatoes or other GMO products. But you shouldn't be worried, because in this article we are going to show you an easy way that will help you identify these GMO tomatoes, and you will know what to eat. How safe are GMOs? First, you should know that there are 2 very different viewpoints when it comes to the health and safety of genetically engineered food: industry leaders and scientists who support GMOs and those who believe GMOs are harmful. You should also know that genetically modified foods have been linked to toxic and allergic reactions, sick, sterile and dead livestock, and damage to virtually every organ studied in lab animals. Most developed nations do not consider GMOs to be safe. Note, in more than 60 countries around the world, including Australia, Japan and all of the countries in the European Union, there are significant restrictions or outright bans on the production and sale of GMOs. GMO labeling. Here's what you need to know. First, you should know that fruits and vegetables that are grown in the usual way, with the injection of chemicals, are labeled with a code consisting of 4 digits. And organic fruits and vegetables have a price tag with a code consisting of 5 digits, starting with the number 9. Genetically modified (GMO) fruits and vegetables have a price tag with a code consisting of 5 digits starting with the number 8. Note, you should know that these tips are quite important, probably cause of the fact that at this time, more than 80% of processed foods in the United States has been genetically modified. In many European countries, the production and sale of GMO products is prohibited. These countries are Austria, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary and Luxembourg.